So welcome back to my video. It's your girl, Kylie. So today, I'm going to be looking for natures. So obviously, as you can see, oh, Malay, come here. We need to dig this. And make sure you guys like and subscribe. So I was wanting to do a YouTube video. So, cause like, I need to get that out. So I need my cousin help. He's not helping though. Okay, so I'm gonna use my hand instead of, yeah, I'm gonna dig a little. Okay, so.
Hey guys, come over here.
No, I need your help.
Okay.
I need to dig something. So I'm gonna need this for a little bit soft.
Guys, we need to go to another round because this world, it is have some hard things to do.
Yeah, not that much, but I actually like this world. What is that?
What was that sound?
I don't know.
And guys, it's morning, but no one's outside today.
Yeah, we came out here early.
Yeah,
So as
guys.
you can see, you can't hear nobody. It's just us. Cause I was like, let me get my camera and make a video. Cause like,
Guys, guess what? We broke into here.
we broke into this house. Well, not house, the backyard. Cause like,
We had a fence too. We climbed over the fence.
they said we can like dig their yard. Then they fell back to sleep. Cause when we knocked on the door, they never did answer.
Yeah, guys, when we knocked at the door, we ran, then we climbed over the fence, and then
I need to get this out though. This stick.
I know how to get the stick out.
And can you get this one out? Wait, let me see if I can get this. Oh, okay, this one is hard.
That's kind of easy.
Yeah, okay.
Guys,
I'm gonna move this
a
dirt.
door.
He went knocking on it.
Oh no, they're coming. We need to run.
No, they aren't. We're doing a nature video, and this is actually our house. We're tricking you guys.
Yep.
Now put that down before you hit me like you did when the camera was off. The brush is literally on me. Oh my gosh.
Guys, guess what?
I'm not going to use the dirt too much because... Okay, I'm going to let you guys see. I don't know where to put this, so I'm going to put
Is
you
the
guys...
nature's in this? Ah!
Where?
They're right there.
Where is it?
Right there. I found one.
Okay, guys, so look at that.
I'm scared. It might hop on one of us.
Malik, no. I'm going to do it. Throw it. But just keep the stick. It ain't that long. Here, throw this. Throw it. I'm a little bit scared. Okay, that one is long. Malik!
Okay.
Oh, I thought that was a snake at first. Oh. Okay, go a little bit close. Wait, Malik, don't, guys. So, come on, Malik. So, literally, I'm scared. After that thing, I'm literally crying. It tackled me, it hurt me, and stuff. Then I got me pee. Then, I was in a bath. Then it started getting me. It started getting me, and then I started running. I couldn't run because I have a little broken leg. My leg hurt a little. So I can't run a little.
Guys, but
I tripped on this I couldn't run at first. I got up, then I ran, and then when I looked back, it was close. Then I tripped on this. I got you guys.
I don't know who did that. Start to run, guys. Then I just tripped over it. I don't know who did that.
Get that stick for me.
Where?
Right there.
Okay.
I'm screenshot.
Guys.
I screenshot. I know you guys saw that. Yes. So get this stick for me. Oh, now I see it. It's right there. Never mind. Okay. Ah, shoot.
You heard that?
Yes.
It's a,
No, it was those workers that's working on that house. I'm asking my mom for one of those houses. And Malik, y'all probably can't get that house.
What?
Because that's probably people already asked for that house.
Yeah, if you lived over there, then that's easily how to get there. That's gonna be easy how to get here.
Then I will knock on your door and say, Malik, let's go play. But no, some people, Malik, your dad probably not building that.
Yeah.
Because if you saw your dad, he would have been with the black truck.
Sometimes he don't bring his trucks, and sometimes he just walk over there. Cause it's not easy. What about it's on that house would be good with another video.
You can't, but Malik, why are you asking that y'all could get that house, but y'all can't? Because sometimes my mama ordered a house, I think it's building. They said, my mom said it was building. It was building. So, yeah, I think it's that house or something or another house. Because I know people already getting those houses. They probably already asked for it. See, guys, am I right or am I wrong? Right.
Guys, I found something.
Can you get it out?
Yeah.
Is it like a big snake? Wait, I'm gonna dig it. What was
Dig.
that? That was weird. I'm a little bit scared.
Yeah.
Cause I heard something. It was like grass. Like,
It sounds like that.
can you dig that a little bit more? Here, I'm gonna help.
Guys, I'm about to throw this. Guys, we got like this.
Okay, so we got like some sticking out, some parts. Well, I'm trying to get the whole thing. So yeah. Huh? No, guys, no cap. I'm hearing stuff. Is it a killer? Micah Myers? If that's Micah Myers, shoot, say less, I'm running. Okay, now we gotta watch out for our back.
I'm gonna watch your back. The sound here.
Whoa, no. No, I think we can. I saw somebody.
Run.
No, you do not, Malik. You gotta hear the grass. Oh my God, I'm scared a little. I don't want to do this stuff. Not today, shit. Like, really not today. It's scaring me to freak out. What? No, guys, I know you guys heard that. My camera's being a little bit stupid. No, not today. If someone in there, come out, because you're scaring me.